I got a mid-roof fiberglass truck cap made by Astro. It's an older unit. CR1500, so it's the mid-roof. It fits the 1980 through 96 Ford F-150, 250, 350 with the 7-foot short bed. Paint shows some age. So it's got a lot of scratches on it. The paint's fading across the top. Fiberglass is in good shape. It has some scratches down through here. The windows are all intact. They are scratched. You have some scratches up here on the windows, but I mean, really, the windows look pretty good. Has a cool pinstripe on there, which was an option back in the 90s that you could, or the 80s, that you could add to this. Has some rough spots there, some scratches. Also right in here. Sliding window in the front. A lot of this part here would be not visible because it's up against the back of the cab. Has a hole here that they must have had some wires run into it maybe or something, but it's been silicone shut. Has some scratches up here on this edge and across here. Again, the cool retro pinstripe. Faded paint across the top. Structurally though, the fiberglass is in good shape. There's a view of the top. Windows good shape on here. It is a double T-handle lock in the back. Oh, that's why the hole in the fiberglass. They did have lights back here in the back. Screens are in good shape. Don't see any real holes in it. A couple small spots right there. Nothing real major. Sliding window in the front. Looks like they might leak the rubber seal behind them. Foam seal. Easily replaced. Looks like it might leak a little bit behind there. Hole in the screen right there. Not real big. But yeah, so it looks like the foam in the back behind the cap probably needs replaced. We do stock that here. And you pop the windows out with these screws. Put some new foam seal on it. Put them back in, seals them right up. It's good to go. But yeah, it does look like that foam seal leaks. But mid-roof design does have a couple spider cracks right there, but nothing, like I said, no holes, no major fiberglass damage. It's a mid-roof design, 80 to 96 Ford with a short bed, 6 3/4, 7-foot bed. You know,